Hey everybody, Zach Owen here from Krietz Customs. Today we're doing a 3.5-inch rough country lift on this 2017 Jeep Wrangler. So before I start putting all this new rough country parts on, I'm going to first remove your rear sway bar links, your brake line bracket from the frame, your old shocks, and your springs to be able to lower everything down to be able to install your new parts. Now that we installed your rear track bar bracket, new rear springs, and rear bump stop brackets, all that's left is your rear stabilizer links, rear shocks, and your brake line drop brackets. And then we can start making our way to the front. So now that we have the rear completed, it's time to move to the front. So first thing I'm going to do is remove your brake lines, your front sway bars, your coils, your shocks, and your front control arms to be able to install your new rough country 3.5-inch lift. Now that I have your front suspension parts off, now it's time to install your 3.5-inch rough country kit. So right now I'm going to put your front shocks, your front springs, front bump stop brackets, and your front track bar bracket on. The next step is to remove your stock pippin arm and install your rough country pippin arm. Next step is to install your front dual stabilizers on the front of this Jeep. So now it's time to do your exhaust. I'm gonna drop down your exhaust, and I'm gonna install your exhaust spacers provided by Rough Country to be able to clear your drive shaft. Well, that about wraps it up for this 2017 Jeep Wrangler with this Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit. If you have any questions about this Jeep or a vehicle that you want built, call us at 301-694-4642 or visit us at www.krietzauto.com. Thanks and have a great day.